how to set autofill logging level of debug Verbose on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on developer option. So after click on developer option, scroll down and search logging level. You will see logging level is here, so click on logging level. So if you want to set debug, so click on debug. So if you want to set bubbers, so click on bubbers. So if you want to set off, so click on off. So you will select and set logging level from here. So after selecting, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set autofill logging level on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.